Well, lesson learned. I like that this happened. So guys, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. If you're watching this video, you made it to the year 2025. Woohoo! So let's be thankful and be grateful. I'm excited for you. I'm excited for us. And guys, starting this year, I do have a package here that was sent to me by Etenwolf. It's a store on Amazon, and they actually did send me their product for a review. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this product for you guys to see. We're gonna go ahead and also do a demonstration. I'm gonna just review it real quick. Let's go ahead and unbox this product real quick. Oh, what's that? I haven't told you guys what is in here, but hold on a second, okay? Let's do this together. Uncle Smith's garage. This is so cute. So this is actually my receipt. And here we go, guys. Etenwolf. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So it's the electric balloon pump. Just so you guys know, I do have an electric balloon pump, but it is not exactly like this. Alright guys, so why did I agree to do a review and get this electric balloon pump? I did it because I did see it inflates any type of balloon, even this type. The one that I do have can only inflate this type of balloons. Can you guys see this? Can only inflate this type of balloon. So if you want to inflate something like this, you're gonna have to take it to the store. So mine is not all efficient compared to this one. But guys, let us go ahead and review this product real quick and see what it can do if it says it is doing what it says it can do. First thing first, it's well sealed. I do have to cut off the bag. It's well protected here. And I can see it has different colors. It has the color orange, the teal, and then the pink. And also it's on Amazon. I will be dropping a link directly for you guys in the description, and you guys can go ahead and purchase it. As of today that I checked the price on Amazon, it is just $29. That's really affordable, guys. So let's go ahead and see what is in. So far I'm already liking the packaging. The fact that it's well packaged, that's a flex already. So let's unbox this real quick, guys. And then the first thing that we do see here is the manual. It's the user manual telling us what to do, how to do, and it has the support here, support@etenwolf.com. And this is their website, www.etenwolf.com. And then it has all the instruction in it. If you're like me, I just never read manuals. I am so bad at it. And then here we do have the accessories. These are the accessories. Well, we're gonna know what these are when we decide that we're gonna check our manual. We'll see what this is for. These are the accessories. We do have this. We have this for blowing the balloons, and then we have this. So let's go ahead and take it out. And then here we go, guys. It is well sealed, as you can see. And this is the season for parties, guys. I am having a party this year. By the grace of God, we should be celebrating a birthday party this year, because we have milestone ages, 2 milestone ages in my house. So for the foil balloon, which is actually this type of balloon, the number 5 here, we do have it on here. We have the switch for the foil balloon, and then for the long balloon we have a switch for that as well. So just so you guys can see it, have a good look at it. You see that? So guys, I did figure it out. Here we do have the storage. Guys, so I have successfully pulled this out. So we're gonna go ahead and fix it. Okay, so right now it is off. The power switches are off, they are not on. So I want to start. I'm very curious because this says it can blow foil balloons. So I do have my foil balloon here, and this is the number 5. So let's go ahead and try this real quick and make sure this says it does what it says it can do. Okay. So wow, that was fast, guys. That was super fast. In less than how many seconds it already blew up the foil balloon. I'm so excited about this. So one thing I do see about this balloon pump blower is that it has beautiful features. As you can see, it inflated this balloon effortlessly. Let's try the second one again. So what I'm noticing is you have to make sure it is balanced once you put it in the knot. I guess that what it's called. Yes, in the knot. Make sure it's balanced so you can get it, especially for the foil balloons, you can get it to do what you want it to do. Okay. And again, it does have different pressure modes. 3 pressure modes technically. It has. It's you can choose which one is ideal for you. Either it is the one for the long balloons or the round balloons. This one I'm going to be using here now is the one for the round balloons. We have the one for the round balloons. We have the one for the long balloons. You guys know those long balloons that clowns always use. Yes. And then it has the one for the foil, making it very efficient. You know, it's an efficient product to have. Trust me, guys. It comes with an adapter for every balloon. It includes extra nozzles as well, just in case. And it has the nozzle holes there, you know, on the other side for each balloons. Various sizes, ensuring versatility. I mean, for me, I feel, in fact, one person can be on one side inflating balloons, the next person is on the other side, so that way it even makes it faster for us to inflate the balloons. You know, one person is doing it on the left side, another person is doing it on the right side, and we're still using the same balloon inflator. You get what I'm saying? I'm so excited mostly about the foil. Yep. So my curiosity, guys, I really wanted to see what was gonna happen if I try to overdo it. So just so you be careful, I have done it for you guys just so you can see. I went ahead to not take out the foil balloon out of the knots, and I left it there, and you guys see it busted the balloon. So that works for every other balloon too as well. You need to make sure you don't leave it in there for too long. Okay, guys, yeah, and it's year 2025. Still wishing you guys all the best this year. And now that I'm done, I'm just gonna take a sit because, guys, I'm exhausted. I'm blowing out some balloons for the kids, and then don't forget this in balloon pump actually inflates balloons effortlessly. It is perfect for any occasion, including round balloons, four balloons, 260 quarts to 350 quarts of balloon, fast inflation. You press to inflate, design, whatever you want. It has 3 pressure modes, convenient power cord storage. It has the adapters for every balloon. I'm going to be dropping a link. They have a YouTube link. They have Instagram. If you want to contact them, they have Facebook and they have their site as well. But I'll be dropping everything down there for you guys in the description. Check them out on Amazon and affordable as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.